Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can install Viber on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening any web browser. Once you do that, in the URL box, type in download Viber for PC. Press the enter soon after you do that, and from the search results, click on this link right here. Now, as soon as you find the application, click on free download for PC. The download process has begun. Now it will automatically download on your PC. You can see that it's being downloaded at the bottom left corner. After the setup file downloads, simply click it open. Soon after the download completes, open the file. Now, as soon as Viber opens, click on the install button in order to install it on your device. Wait until the installation is completed. After it's done, you'll be able to see the app on your Windows. Now go open your Viber on your mobile phone and open the menu screen. Tap open the QR code reader and then scan this code right here at the right corner and you're good to go. That is how you can install Viber on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.